about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
What you got there?
This is what we call El Diablo. They call it the El Diablo because it's super spicy. They got 5 spice levels. I'm about to eat it and not struggle at all. What do you have over there?
This is called the alligator leaf.
What's inside?
There's no alligator though. Just eggs and chorizo.
A little bit of feta cheese too.
Oh yeah, some nice cheese.
Welcome to the first spot of our road trip down to Key West. We just had lunch at this seafood place called Robbie's. I had a sandwich called El Diablo, and Kai had a sandwich called the
Alligator reef.
They're both pretty good. After that, we fed some tarpons. There's these fish that are literally, maybe 4 or 5 feet long, and we bought a bucket of fish. I think it was $4 for 6 or 7 fish. And then you can hand feed the tarpons. Just gotta make sure the tarpons don't bite you because they can get pretty aggressive.
Kevin here is really bad though.
We'll show you the footage and you guys can decide.
He failed,
we'll show you the footage and you guys
can
decide who's better.
Some fish for tonight.
Wild caught live. Watch this, guys. This is how you feed a fish like a professional. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's super scary. Alright. See guys, that's how it's done. Easy peasy.
Let me show you guys how a pro does it.
No, I already showed you guys.
Oh god, this guy's staring me down. He's looking right at me.
Closer, man. You gotta put get it on the water.
Oh.
Dude, complete fail. Complete fail. We're heading to the National Deer Wildlife Facility. This is called the Blue Hole. We should see some wild deer around here somewhere. They just had a prescribed burn, so a lot of these places are burnt down. But you can see the new trees and stuff growing from the ground now. Should be pretty cool. Follow me in. We got 3 square tacos. I got 1 carnitas, 1 beef, and 1 chorizo potatoes.
So this one is Kermit's key lime pie. It's pretty good.
Okay, on a scale of 0 to 10.
0 to 10. Probably 7.
Okay,
solid
not
7.
Not bad.
Solid 7. Now this one is the second one is the Key West key lime pie.
Can you tell the difference?
Yeah. This one's like
More lime, a little bit less lime.
no less limey, like no creamier. This one is like what I would imagine to be a key lime pie.
Which one do you like better?
Probably this one, actually. Tastes more unhealthy.
You like the Americanized one, I see.
So we just finished our nice little dinner, and now we're at the most southern point of the United States. And it's in Florida. And a bunch of people waiting to get a picture with us.